जय माँ। क्या बना रही हूँ? कैरी चुंदो। It's an achar, Gujarati achar. Okay, I'm sure you know about chunda. So it's a sweet achar with kacha curry. Raw mangoes, which comes again in summer. So most of the people, Gujarati homes, you will find them making chundo, and then you can store it in a jar and keep it in the house for 1 year. Nothing happens to it, and it's very tasty with roti if you have it, or paratha and all that. It's a sweet achar. So I'm making that, and it's very quick. You see, there are two ways of doing it. Some people, like in the olden days, अभी आजकल इतना time नहीं होता लोगों के पास. So this is a quick method. And in the olden days, what was happening is they would make the achar धूप में in the terrace. They have to keep it on like a paper or something, or a cloth or something. They keep it there, and धूप में उसको सेकना पड़ता है for about 2 days. And then that taste is different, obviously. And this is a quick method where you don't have to do any of that. So I generally do this. So have a look. Put the pan on the gas. This is half a kilo, which I have grated into long strands like this. उसकी जो गुठली होती है ना अंदर की, बीज जो होता है वो निकाल दीजिए. So once you start grating, remove the beej. Then add. This is half a kg. That means you have to take equal proportion. I take sugar and jaggery both. I mix the two. So I'll show you that. Now in this, add a little bit of salt, not much, so that it cooks faster. Little bit of haldi to give it a nice color. Now see, this is 250 grams of jaggery. Because this is half a kg, we are adding 250 grams of jaggery and 250 grams of sugar. And this is 250 grams sugar. Add lot of sugar because it's a sweet chundo. It's called chundo. And now we have to go on mixing and stirring till everything melts. Put the flame on slow. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करिए. इसमें पानी बहुत छूटेगा ना, पानी, water will start coming out. The sugar and everything, so सबका पानी निकलेगा. You can take a non-stick pan, because if you're not used to it, it might stick at the bottom. That should not happen. It should not burn. Go on stirring. It will take a while for the jaggery to melt, and I'll come back. थोड़ा थोड़ा मेल्ट हो रहा है ना, तो उसमें 1 चम्मच जितना काला नमक डालिए. See, add that. Then mix. ये झटपट होने वाली चीज है. Only thing is the jaggery has to melt. So if you want quicker process, तो क्या करिए, बड़े बड़े टुकड़े जैगरी के मत डालिए जो मैंने किया है. Shave the jaggery and add. So जल्दी मेल्ट हो जाएगा. Now again I'll come back. Now the jaggery has kind of melted, पर अभी भी कैरी जो है वो कच्ची है. It's a little not cooked yet. So in the meantime, you add little chili powder, red chili powder. jeera powder, cumin powder, and little bit of garam masala. That's it. And mix again. So all the masalas we have added. Now we just have to wait for the curry to cook properly. It has to become nice and soft. And it has to be one stream, ek tar ki chasni, which we will check. And you know, initially आपको लगेगा कि बहुत ढीला ढीला है, you know, it's liquidy. But once it cools down, ना, it will start getting little harder, firmer होता जाएगा. Now see, the chunda is ready. See the color, it looks so nice. So I'm just going to serve and show you. You have to put it in a glass jar, okay, airtight glass jar. And you can leave it outside, you don't have to put it in the fridge or anything. ये धीरे धीरे कड़क हो जाएगा, you know, it won't be so liquidy. So this is the chunda which you have with roti and things like that. Paratha, roti, tastes very good, it's sweet. See? Yummy chundo. So this is the Gujarati curry chundo. It's sweet and it's very tasty. खट्टा मीठा जैसा है, you know. So रोटी के साथ, पराठा के साथ, कैसे भी कभी कभी लगता है we don't want to eat anything else, so we just have a bhakri or a jawari की रोटी and we just take the chunda with it. So try, comment, subscribe, share with people who are interested, and I shall see you next time.